Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can edit a WhatsApp message after you've sent it to somebody. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so to be able to do this, first head over to the WhatsApp app and open up the chat you'd like to edit a message on. So here I am in a WhatsApp chat and I'm going to send a message. And after I do that, I'm going to want to edit that message. Okay, so I've just sent the message. So what I'm going to do next is just long press on that message. And then at the top right hand corner, I'm going to tap on the three dots. And then next I'm going to tap on edit. And then I can just edit that message however I like. Once I'm finished making any edits, I just tap on the tick button. And then as you can see, it says this message was edited for everyone in this chat on the latest version of WhatsApp. So I'm just going to tap on OK. As you can see, edited messages have the word edited next to it. There's a 15-minute time limit for editing messages. And editing a message won't send a new chat notification to people in your chat. But no, you can't edit photos, videos, or other types of media. And that's all it takes to edit messages you've sent in WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.